What up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy K'Bklyn. Thank you for tuning in to K'BklynJuicing. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you choose to be here with me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls around the world, it's K'BklynJuicing. Let's get this show started. And today we are making refreshing watermelon lime juice. Refreshing watermelon lime juice. No, it's not the end of summer. Summer is still here. But guess what? We got to get that refreshing. It's not a heat wave right now. About 90 degrees here in New York City for the rest of the week. So why not have something that's going to make you go, ah, I need that. So your boy wasn't going to do a video this week, but I was like, you know what? Because I juiced watermelon before, and I was like, let me give you something special. So it's called refreshing watermelon lime juice. And we're going to have 2 limes. You know, I got to add my ginger. Ginger is optional. You don't have to add that. And I also have some, you know what this is. No, this ain't weed. You can add that if you want. But this is peppermint leaves. We're going to change it up, add some peppermint leaves to it. And of course, we have a bowl of watermelon with the seeds. You would think it's Throwback Thursday. Like, where'd you get that from? Watermelon with the seeds. Ginger is an option for you. You don't have to add the ginger, but I add ginger to everything because I like ginger. And we have 2 limes, and we have a bunch of peppermint leaves. So again, if you have a small batch, just again, I don't really weigh stuff too much. I don't weigh it at all, but you can do like maybe 10 peppermint leaves, a small pinch of ginger, 1 lime, and just a little bit of watermelon. But since I had a whole watermelon, I'm gonna eat some of it and drink some of it. Oh, why am I doing that, you ask? Thank you for asking. Because I'm doing a 3-day juice cleanse where there's no solid foods, just straight liquid. So I'm having straight watermelon. And if I get hungry, I'm gonna eat some of it. Yeah, some people say you should just have it straight, but guess what? I wanna do where I just have the juice and watermelon with the seeds for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for 3 days. This is my 3rd day. First day felt good. Second day was like, eh. 3rd day felt good. I still went to the gym, still got it in. Again, you have to clean the system. The same way you clean your car, the oil change, you gotta do the same thing for your gut. We have to get better with the gut. So again, I do feel good. I noticed the little pouch I had there starting to get that 6-pack going. Let's go. But anyway, let's stop talking. Again, this is the refreshing watermelon lime juice. Again, we got my trusty K'Bklyn's juicer. We got our mason jars. I put 3 today because again, I think that there's gonna be a lot of juice. I'm gonna have this for like, again, this is the 3rd day. So this is my last day. And actually I do feel pretty good, but I still like to drink watermelon juice on a regular occasion. Let's stop yapping and make this happen. Again, once you order at the top, the K'Bklyn stop. Let's throw in some of these watermelon. So refreshing. And I know some of y'all watching like, damn, he got watermelon with the seeds. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's very, very rare that I could find it. So when I do find it, I jump up on it. Gotta grab it. Gonna throw some of these. Again, everything is washed and cleaned already, prepped. And again, I'm gonna have this for a couple of days, making a bunch of it. You know, my building, people know that I juice. So sometime I might give out a jar of the watermelon juice to my neighbor because I know they like it. And I got some work being done in the bathroom right now. So I'm trying to sneak in and do a video while it's quiet. And again, I might give the workers, if I have 3 jars left, 3 jars total, I'm gonna give them some watermelon juice. And again, this is gonna be a quick video. All my videos are quick and to the point. So we got peppermint leaves, ginger optional, did I say lemon? No, it's lime. Lime with the skin and watermelon with the seeds. Please try to get the watermelon with the seeds. And this is gonna be so refreshing. I'm a huge watermelon fan. Let me see people, raise your hand if you like watermelon. Let me see who in here like watermelon. That's right, watermelon. It's hard to get with the seeds, but I tried it without the seeds when I didn't know any better and didn't like it. You can see the taste, you can actually see the color difference. That's the unfortunate and amazing part about it. This is gonna be super refreshing. Oh man, I hope y'all having a great day. I hope y'all having an amazing day. Let's open up this top, get this going, get that ginger in there. You can smell them peppermint leaves. I over-exaggerated with the peppermint leaves, but again, I'm making a lot of watermelon. So I figured, let me throw that in there and get this going. You know, peppermint leaves definitely add a nice spice to it. I've had it before. 99.9% of the time, I do not make it with the peppermint leaves. But this one called for the peppermint leaves and it called for ginger. Again, ginger is optional. And again, you know, I'm not going to add no more ginger because I do want that peppermint leaf to spike more than the ginger because ginger is a strong herb. I believe ginger is a herb. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments what ginger really is. To me, it's an herb because it's natural, it's healing, it's refreshing, it's so good. So good. How y'all feeling today? I hope all is swell. Hope y'all are doing amazing things, having a great day. 90 degrees today. So this is going to taste amazing. Check out the pour. Look at this. And again, I'm doing a watermelon juice cleanse where I'm cleaning out the system. Again, this is my second time doing it. I didn't do it with watermelon. I just did it with berries and other stuff last time I did it. And I felt I had a headache the first day, but your body will get adjusted to it. I know some people are saying, I spoke to somebody at the gym today. It was like, oh, I can never do it. You can. It's that mental. Just keep pushing forward. You got this. You definitely can do it. And I know some people have that hard job where you're like going up and down the steps, this and that. Stop. Take your time. Take your time. Pray on it. Do whatever you got to do. You can do it. I got faith in everybody. You can definitely do it. All right, so that was, I'm gonna add some more ginger because that was one mason jar full. So I do want that ginger to get in all the jars. So again, watermelon is so good, ladies and gentlemen. Let me add a smidget of this, just in case I get 3 jars out of it. Throw my ginger here, trusty K'Bklyn's juicer. Look it up, it's very expensive. To me, it's not expensive. I don't put a price on my health. If you can afford it, put down payments if you can, $700. And I believe Bed Bath & Beyond has a 20% coupon, so that brings it down to like $540, something like that. It's definitely worth it because again, it's easy to clean. And you can see it has the big, I think it's called the hopper, the big top right there. You could just throw a bunch of them in there, a bunch of everything in there and get it going. Again, watermelon is so refreshing. It's refreshing to drink. It's refreshing to snack on. It's just, and it feels good. And fellas, again, I call it liquid Viagra. It's amazing what it does for down there. No, it's not going to just, you're not going to walk around with an erection. But when it's that time, the ladies are going to know it. See what the machine said? Absolutely. That's what the machine said. Again, check out the pour. This is so good. I mean, if I was around a place where I can get watermelon 24/7, yeah, this would be part of my diet. Part of my diet. I mean, it's part of my diet now, but it'd be part of my everyday diet. Let's say it that way. I'm going to stop using this because it's not really straining too much. Usually when it's leafy, that's when I actually really use it more than anything else. Again, I want to thank y'all for watching. Your boy K'Bklyn is juicing. I just really enjoy this. And I'm also hoping, matter of fact, I should go grab some more peppermint leaves because this is going to be a new batch. Yup, with the lime right there. So we can cut to commercial real quick. Ain't got no damn commercials. This is YouTube. I'm not there yet. Hopefully I get there. And if I don't, I'm going to keep doing this, God willing, because I enjoy doing this. Yeah, I want to actually run and get some more peppermint leaves so I can throw up in here because, again, this is 3 of them. Don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with some peppermint leaves. Going to get this party started. Going to have a good time with this. Over-exaggerated with the leaves again, but you know how I do. Again, we got the watermelon, the lime with the skin. Skin is definitely healthy. Just wash everything off. Watermelon without the skin. With the seeds, make sure it's seeds and organic. The key word is organic ginger. And we have our peppermint leaves. Peppermint leaves are amazing. I mean, somebody turned me on to that one time, and I've been hooked ever since. The boy likes some peppermint leaves. For real. And actually, tell you the truth, I might need another mason jar. So this works out perfect, because then I'm going to have 4 mason jars for the watermelon, and I can give it to the guys that's fixing up my bathroom. Give them something refreshing. Get that cool, refreshing drink. Man, I just feel good. Again, I'm doing a 3-day, I don't even want to call it a challenge. It's not a challenge, just a 3-day watermelon cleanse. That's exactly what I'm doing to my body. And I'll get that mason jar later. I don't want to have y'all wait again. I mean, power of editing. Boom, I could just splice it, dice it any way we want. Again, thank you for tuning in. I'm about to taste this watermelon. This is going to be really powerful because of, matter of fact, I might just throw this back in a bowl, mix everything together so it can mix evenly. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Re-pour it again. But right now, we're going to do the taste test. But we're going to let that spin and let the taste then begin. All right, here we go. I always have to taste this. And this is not my first time making this. I made this before prior to the limes. But, man, if you know, you know. Let's do that taste. Man, oh man. The peppermint leaves, bow, as that. Going in twice. Again, I'm doing a 3-day watermelon challenge. Well, I just said challenge. 3-day watermelon. I'm not even cleansing myself. I'm cleansing myself, cleaning the body. Just like you take your car for an oil change, you got to do the same thing with your body, folks. A lot of times this food is so overly processed, not really the healthiest for us. So go 3 days without eating any solid food. Pick your favorite fruit or just do straight water. Yes, you can add some electrolytes to get that energy going again. And I did have some electrolytes when I was at the gym today. Felt it a little bit. My body let me know, Kev, yep, it's time to go home. And that's exactly what I did. Took my butt home. Man, oh man. And I feel really good. I took me a nap. You know, I do take naps at 53 years young. That nap re-energizes you. And then again, with the weather being 90 degrees, that heat kind of like gets to you. But again, I'm yapping because I just enjoy doing what I'm doing. And look at this. We have, let me cut this off. We have watermelon right here, ladies and gentlemen. Watermelon, again, just in case you are late to the show. And before you go, check out the end of the video. I'm going to let you know what the benefits are for this watermelon juice. Again, this is called the watermelon, refreshing watermelon lime juice, especially refreshing when it's hot. When it's hot outside, you throw this in the refrigerator, let that chill get on it. I don't add ice to nothing. It's up to you if you want to. The ingredients are organic ginger, 2 things of lime. You can add 1. It depends on how big the watermelon is. So ginger, lime, peppermint leaves, and watermelon with the seeds. I want to thank y'all for tuning in. It's your boy K'Brooklyn. The love is there. I see you when I see you. Peace.